retail environment is changing, especially when it comes to managing in-store hazards. The stakes are higher than ever.
If there's a spill in the store, employees are not only exposed, but consumers are as well.
To protect consumers, employees, and the company itself, retailers have been forced to rethink the way they handle hazardous materials.
There's more awareness of hazardous materials these days. 10 years ago, retailers didn't have to think of many of these things. The regulatory environment is tougher now, and retailers have to be prepared for it.
Just in a retail setting, to implement these types of restrictions and regulations gets really tricky. Training, HazCom, spill management, sorting.
So we came up with HazSolutions. It's a whole solution to covering every hazardous material need in the retail environment.
Federal laws, you've got state laws, you've got local laws, they're all kind of changing, they're all kind of meshing on top of one another, and so it's a complicated setting to deal with. So HazSolutions is really good in that it can take care of that whole thing from a broader perspective, kind of come in a more comprehensive way. It's just an easier way of dealing with things and a far more effective way of dealing with things.
We wanted to make it easy for retailers.
Here's how it works. ChemLists is the technology at the core of HazSolutions. It allows our experts to sort your store's inventory into regulated waste categories and to store detailed material safety information. Access to some or all of this information can be made available to employees through the ChemLists web portal or through your own point-of-sale system.
It's also highly adaptable. You can take systems that you already have in place, and it can really work well with what we have.
All your employees need to make accurate sorting decisions is a barcode, UPC number, or a product description. The most high-risk aspect of hazardous materials in retail is taken care of for you.
And the beauty of it is it's a web-based program. It works seamlessly with what you already have in place, and it integrates and brings together everything else that we've built.
Our online training programs work with ChemLists to keep your employees up to speed on hazardous materials, sorting and handling, spill management, and OSHA's hazardous communications standard. These, combined with permitting services, makes HazSolutions a comprehensive solution.
No wasted efforts, no overlap. Big picture approach makes things easy.
With all of the different jurisdictions and regulatory agencies involved, this is a problem with a lot of moving parts. There are a lot of things to manage. HazSolutions makes management simple.
Simple for the employees, comprehensive enough for the stores, and cost-effective for the companies. It just makes sense.
We're experienced. We have done this. We know the direction we're headed. We know how to attack the problem. We can make a system that works for you.